Do you want to know how you can enable the Analyze on-screen text in Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable Analyze on-screen text in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile on the top right hand side and click on Settings. What you need to do next is click Screen Context, and you can see Analyze on-screen text. To enable it or to allow the device assistance app to analyze text shown on the screen to provide related content, what you need to do is tap on this button over here, and you can see that as it turns bright, it is on. Now to turn it off again, tap on it and you can turn off Analyze on-screen text easily. So let me teach it to you once again. Open Gemini, tap on your profile, go to Settings, tap on Screen Context, and then you can see Analyze on-screen text. To enable it, go ahead and tap on this button, and there you go. You have now turned on Analyze on-screen text. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.